Hello guys, how are you? My name is Diana. I'm the community manager for Tattooing 101. So what we're going to do today is that I'm going to walk you through how to use Canva specifically for making your business. Super simple. Canva is amazing. It has all sorts of preloaded templates for you to use and customize as you want to go. I love it because it makes, honestly, the creative aspect so easy, right? So simple. What you're going to do first is that you're going to load up canva.com, sign up. You're going to get a free account. You have the option to go pro, meaning that you pay, I think, just a tiny bit every month and you get like all sorts of templates. It's just a bigger range, right? You don't have to do this, of course. If you are more serious, like into creating posts, things like that is definitely helpful, but not needed. Right? So first things first, you're going to go to the search bar in Canva, search up tattoo business cards, and it's going to show up all sorts of preloaded templates that I guess created by other people. Anything that has like a crown here is a pro version. So there are features within that are not available for the free users. So I'm just going to use this one for now because I just want all my information on the very first page. So again, you can customize this based on what you like, what your style is, and so on and so forth. So it'll just show up like this. And I think this allows you to choose what kind of paper that you're going to print in, what kind of finish that you like, how many you would like. Canva's been doing this really amazing thing where you can buy them right away on the site. I don't necessarily recommend that. If you're just doing online, don't need it, right? So as you can see, why there is this like grid on this part is because that image is meant for paid customers. It's easy enough. All you got to do is just delete the image and then it's whatever, right? I could also put like, let's say add a couple of elements here. I could add like, oh, I love the lion. You can click that image, change the color based on what kind of color palette you like. Oh, this line isn't looking too good, but you get the gist of it. So you could also get like, there are a couple of graphics here. I could put Leo sign. Let's just use this one. Oh, I really like that one. So I'm going to put that. I can change the name to Leo Tattoos. However you want it, right? You can change the style of font as well. It could be Astoria. That's pretty cool. Robo. Whatever there's available here, you could totally use. So it's really fun. Customize it to whatever style you're into. This is a little bit dark. So what we're going to do is that we're going to lighten it up because the background is dark. And then, of course, you can put like your email, your Facebook, anything that describes your portfolio. You want to make sure that people can see your work, especially on social media. So make sure that you add that as well. A couple of key things here that are very important to add in your business card is your name, your phone number, and also your email, and I would say your social media socials. These are just a couple of things that are very important for you to have. Reducing the size, I can either highlight the whole thing and reduce the size up here. I could also just click on that text box itself and it will do that for me. So you got to make sure that you have all this information, your name, your phone number, your email, and your socials, as well as like your studio name, your logo if you have one. Another thing that I want to walk you through is that you don't actually have to use all the elements and templates that Canva provides. You can also go on Google and, search up a PNG image. Just put graphics, Leo graphic PNG, right? Let's do this one. And then we can save the image, Leo stock image. Okay. What you're going to do is that you're going to open up your files or folders or whatever, where it's going to be found. Go to your downloads and just drag and drop it. As you can see how I did it, I just dragged and dropped it into Canva, right? And then it shows up here. One of the things that you can't do when you drag and drop images is you can't change the color, the font, or whatever there is there. What you can do is that you can change the transparency. So that's one of the downsides of doing that. Another thing that you could do if you have you don't want to drag and drop or you're not sure how to do it, you can click upload files. Your files will open up and you can click that image and it will load up. If you're using Google and you had just downloaded, just drag and drop from the recent download history. And you can do that with anything. Other than that, I think I've covered everything. You guys can also put animations. Obviously, you're not going to do that. You can change some positions. You can also like edit the effects of the text. So when you click on the text box, click on effects, like you can give it a shadow, you can give it a glitch. See, that's pretty cool. Like make it neon. You can even either curve it. You can do all sorts of things, right? Now, if you wanted to start it blank, I have a blank canvas here. I want to have like a text. I want to make something. You can click the text on the left here, add a header, add a subheading, or add a body of text. And you can go on and say like, tattoo studio, your name, and then phone number, email, and socials are here. Then you can change all of this to whatever font or typeface that you want. It's an absolutely amazing app, and it's definitely really fun to use. So that's about it, guys. I hope you learned something from this, and I hope that you enjoyed me chatting with you about this. Thank you so much. Have a good day, guys. Bye.